Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change language Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 10. So how to change language Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 10. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are many menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu here. Now here it is in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here it is in the General menu. Scroll down to find the Language menu. Now next. Tap here. Now tap again here. And it will appear like this. Tap Add Language here. Now there will be several languages from various countries that you can use. Select the language. After finishing, tap Add here. And tap OK. Now you can see the language has changed. So that's it, tutorial how to change language Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.